what you want to be tactical and what you want to be a little bit more salient. So full funnel approach helps building that. There's a distribution between what you want to be tactical and what you want to be a little bit more salient. So full funnel approach helps building that. One is you conserve and retain your own consumers with your bottom funnel, but at the same time it is also important to keep building on new consumers. So that's where your full funnel approach always ends up helping. We've had that bit of a challenge coming in from 24 to 25, where we'd seen a big drop in our awareness. That's where I think for a good amount of 6 months we invested in top of funnel approach as well, while keeping our bottom funnel intact. It helped get our awareness better. I think Amazon's been one of the great contributors to our revenue as well.